The first step is to get your smartphone and download the apps. Step 2. Begin utilizing the applications by following the basic instructions I provided. And step 3 is to gather your profits and cash them out via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, Payoneer, ATM, Payer, bank transfer, GCash, or a gift card. Repeat the steps to earn $300 to $1,000 in cash with little effort and no prior expertise. These applications are completely free, so you don't have to spend any money to get started, and they are widely available in all countries across the world. So stay attentive and watch to the end of the video for numerous special extra tips that will help you make double or even triple the amount of money that other people earn. Make certain you don't lose out on that opportunity. But before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. With that said, let's get into the video. Now, the first app that will pay you real money online is Big Time Cash. So make sure you remain with me until the conclusion of this video because I'll show you 2 more applications where you can easily make respectable money online with no skills at all. The key is to mix all 3 to optimize your earning potential. Now, before we go into all of the intricacies, let me quickly show you who is actively and regularly generating money with this application. Take a look at these $2,850, $2,730. Wow, there are so many people. The entire list of real users who are currently making money online on this app. And I could go on. And there are a few pages over here where I can load even more results by clicking on this down button. Now here's how it works. You get paid by playing easy mobile phone games. First, if you have an Android phone, go to the official website or download the app from the Google Play Store. And if you have an iPhone, head to the App Store and get the exact same app. Well, in fact, just leave a comment below and tell me what kind of phone you're using. Do you have an iPhone or an Android phone? To start generating money with this website, you will need to follow 3 simple actions. Step 1 is to find different games to play in this app, and then you must collect tickets which you can then convert into real cash and real money. Now consider this, the more tickets you earn, the better your chances of winning cash prizes. And then step 3 is to have the tickets tabulated and the winner is drawn when the timer runs out. There are many various games that you may play for free, and in just a minute, I will show you exactly which games you should focus on in order to make the most money in the shortest period of time. So, if we go to the Google Play Store today, the name of the app is Big Time Cash Make Money Free, and there are currently over 299,000 users, and the app's logo looks like this. Make sure you're downloading the correct one. Then, as you can see, above 4.3 stars is a very excellent rating, and there are also a lot of positive reviews. As I previously stated, you can make money by simply converting those tickets into actual money once you've finished playing games. And as you can see here, you can collect tickets and then convert them into actual cash, which you can then withdraw into your PayPal account, bank account, cryptocurrency, or Payoneer account. After that, there are a wide variety of ways to withdraw your money. In fact, simply leave a comment below and tell me what sort of payment methods you use in your country. Now quick, let me show you some of the games that you can play on this app, and then I'll show you which one you should focus on in order to make the most money. So take a look at some of the games that you can play here. They're all pretty interesting and you can get paid while playing the game. Isn't that awesome? So basically, that's how it works. I don't want to waste any of your time, so I'll just quickly show you some other examples of the games that you can play. Right now, I want you to pay close attention because there are a lot of people who are wasting a lot of time on this website by playing multiple games without focusing on the right one. However, you must concentrate on just 1 or 2 of the highest paying games to begin with, and that is the ultimate secret. The name of the game that you should concentrate on is Galactic Gateway, because if you concentrate on one game, they will give you more tickets faster, and the more tickets you have, the more money you can make. Now, in my personal experience, Galactic Gateway is simply the best and easiest way to get paid on this app. So let's move on to the second app that will pay you real money. When you go to this website, Pogo.com, you can actually register for free. And as you can see here, I'll show you how to register for a free and worldwide account in just a moment. But for now, I'd like to show you some of the games that you can play on this website and earn money with. As you can see, this website has even more games to play, and there are a lot of different categories. If you go to the top of the website and click on games, you'll find different categories of games to play and earn money with. Now for this website, you must concentrate on poker and solitaire games, as these are the two most popular categories that may earn you the most money, as I will demonstrate within. Well, you can focus on the categories of solitaire and poker cards, for example, and when you click on this one, they'll show you more details about the game. And for example, you can click on game details and then they'll give you more explanation about the game and how we can really play the game. They also offer you some tutorials and videos so that you can win the games. And the more games you win, the more extra money you may get. But the best part is that even if you lose the game, you still make respectable money, so no talent is required. So, once you've learned exactly how to play the games using the tutorial, you'll just click on play now, as you can see here, and then you can start playing the games on your phone or computer. When you click on play now, it will show you the ads, as you can see here right now. So you'll just have to wait until they finish running before you can start playing the games on your phone or computer. Now I want you to pay attention to this really crucial section, because when you go to the Pegasus constellation, here is where you can get even more bonus money, and this is the extra tip they want to give you on their website, where you can join them for a 30-day challenge. Now if you go to the top of this page, you'll see that they have various challenges. You can play the games for 30 days, and when you check in, they'll show you your progress. And if you log in every day, this spot right here will light up. After you've completed the task for 30 days, they'll offer you a bonus point and bonus Poggies, which they refer to as Poggy Points on this website. Once you've earned enough Poggy Points, they'll give you higher and higher tiers earning, and then you can swap them for real money. Now let me quickly show you some of the tiers that you can achieve after completing the challenge. For example, Tier 1 will give you 200 Poggies. Tier 2 will give you 600 Poggies, and Tier 3 will also give you 600 Poggies. These are all the extra monies that you can earn if you join the challenge for 30 days. Now as you can see here, there are a lot of challenges that you can join on this website to earn more Poggy points. For example, this one will give you another 100 points, 100 points, 400 points, and 400 points. As you can see here, they all have a time limit. For example, this one only has 15 hours left, while this one only has 3 days left, and this one only has 3 days left as well. When you join all of these extra challenges, you'll get extra Poggy points, and you'll discover more challenges if you scroll down below. For example, this one has 300 points, 400 points, and 600 points, and you can simply keep browsing to find more challenges. You may also click on Browse All Challenges to uncover other challenges where you can earn extra Poggy points. When you combine these with the constellation, you can earn a lot more points that you can convert into real money. Make sure you focus on the games that revolve around poker and solitaire, because these are the games that will pay you the most amount of points and the fastest. To sign up and register for a free account, go ahead and click on this button in the top right hand corner, and they'll take you to this page where you can create a free account to access all of the games on this website. And as you can see here, when you click on the nation and region, they essentially accept any country in the globe. So right now, I want you to comment down here and tell me what country you're from, so I can make more movies for you in the future. Once again, this is a global list and all of the countries are listed right here. And then you'll just enter your data proof and click on this one right here. And then you'll be able to sign up for a free account and begin playing different games on this website and completing extra challenges to earn more Poggy points. GetPaid2.com is the third app and website where you may earn money online. Now on this website, you can just click the blue button to join free today, and then you'll be sent to this page where you can enter your username, password, and email address in a few simple steps. And you can see here the country they accept, which is basically all countries in the globe. Once you've done that, just click on I'm not a robot, I agree, and then finish registration. It's actually a very simple process, and once you've done that, you'll notice that there are a lot of different games that you can play to earn money. As you can see here, now every single game that you play can earn you between $1 and $3 on average. Now some of the games will pay you more money while others will pay you less money. And at the time of filming this video, the highest paying game is actually Football Tricks. So be sure you play this game and only focus on them since they pay you the most money. However, if you want to play different games, that is entirely up to you. I simply want to share with you what is truly functioning and all of the additional tips that I believe will be of the most benefit to you. You may now cash out your profits by bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card, PayPal money, and a variety of other choices on this website, and they will pay you within the first day, which is 24 hours, and you will receive your entire payment. Finally, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.